Hello everyone, welcome to my channel jknaukri.com. This is a tutorial or a beginner video which I'm uploading on YouTube, which is going to help you out how to use and how to get into this website, which has been recently introduced, which has recently made. The motto is, of course, no more unemployment, which is clearly written on the logo, as you can see. Those updated jobs which you must be waiting for, be it basic qualification, anything. It can be 10th, it can be any PG, any professional degrees, anything. You can find each and every updated information regarding vacancies on this website. How to get into this website, I'm going to tell you. That is, what you are going to type is www.jknaukri.com, and you will find this homepage is where you can find home, about us, ebook, latest results, blog, and many other pages, under which you can find many information, things which is related to vacancies, updated vacancies, and contact us is a page where you can contact us for any issues, any problem, or anything which you want to convey us to improve our website. Ebook is where you're going to find many ebooks at a very reasonable prices. Like you can see here, we have Rich Dad Poor Dad and many other books for success, for books like which is going to help you out for competitive exams. Those reasonings and all things are there in those books at a very reasonable price. You can buy these books. When you're going to click on the book, you can find this page where you're going to just write your email, your phone number, and you have to just make a payment of whatever amount has been written under that head. Latest results are there under this head, where you can find the results whichever has been announced recently will be there. You can contact us through this mail ID, that is jknaukriblog@gmail.com, and you can write a post as well. There are when you're going to scroll down, you'll find many of the notifications there are, which is going to update your information, and whichever fits your best, fits best with your qualification. You can, of course, timely receive these notification, and you can fill up and appear for these vacancies. You will find the search notification as it is written on the right side of the topmost side. You will find, you can see the labels, and through labels you can find the notifications. On the lower side, you will find social sites are also there, which are, of course, you can click on these sites, and you can also find the updated information regarding the vacancies. You can subscribe us for the vacancies, which are notifications which are updated regularly. If you're going to subscribe with us, you will receive the mails regularly every day. All those notifications which have been uploaded on this website will be received by you in your will be there in your inbox. For recent posts, and the categories of vacancies are there under the in this footnote of this website. You can scroll down the footnote, you will find these recent posts which has been updated. And I just want to say, like, any vacancies which will be updated here, you will find everything on this small website. And this website, everything will be updated. And I just want, if you really like this channel, please like it and subscribe it, so that the updated information are there on your mobile in just one click. Thank you.